Just a short little note. Once in a while I noticed with the Dollar Tree books, there's pages that are stuck together. You can either rip this page out or continue folding with this page. I fold it. I don't rip it out unless I need to. This is okay. I just wanted to step in to show you this. Okay, I'm going to try to show you now how to fold this tea kettle. Since we just folded all these triangles on the top, turn the book to the side. The first page, you bring it in. And then you fold it. And then you find the little corner right here. And then you fold it again. So it looks like this. Then the next page, fold it in. And then you fold it in again. It looks like this. Now, take this page on the bottom and bring it in like this into a tiny little triangle. And what I usually do is use some hot glue to make sure it stays. Okay, so once again, let's try this one more time. I'm going to back up the camera if I can. Alright, take this page, fold it in, and now you see the page underneath it. Place your finger there, and that's where you bend it in to a point. You move to the next page, fold it in, and fold it in again. And you take these two pages and you make your little triangle on the bottom. And add a little hot glue because they do flip out. Sorry about that. Thus, this is how your tea kettle is forming. Hello, this is Miss Jones. I'm feeling a little bit better, so I'm going to show you once again how to do this book fold. In the slideshow, I've already just demonstrated to fold all these pages prior up here like this. Now turn the book sideways, take your page, and go in. Fold it, then go in again. That is your first fold. This is also the fold of the candlestick. If you see the previous video back in 2017, I did a candle fold. I might link it in the description box. Anyhow, that's the first page. The second page, you take it and you do fold it in. However, you have to place your finger where you pre-folded all these pages. You place your finger there, lift this area up, and fold that part in. Alright, So let's do this again. This next page, you fold inward, and then you fold inward again. That's the first fold. Then the second fold, you fold inward. Then you place your finger right here, you lift this area up, and you fold inward. Now, where these pages meet, we have to pre-fold this tiny little triangle. Alright, so all you do is just bring it like this. Has to match up to the previous page. Okay, and what I do is I add hot glue to make sure that that fold stays. And once again, you take this, you have to fold it right along where the other folded pages for your guideline. And then if you want to, add hot glue to keep that fold. Once again, bring it in, fold it, and add hot glue to keep that fold. Once again, add hot glue, and then that fold will stay permanent. And just another one. And then here's the last one, right here. So, thus, you have yourself what is starting to look like a tea pot or a tea kettle or a coffee pot. I hope this better explains the folding technique. It is a little different than what's out there. And I am keeping this kettle in the book. I would suggest to use a paperback book so you can remove the spine. And this kettle will end up turning into a full kettle when you're finished. Where I am only doing like a half a kettle to keep it in the book. There you go. That's why you have to pre-fold these ahead of time. So this is your guideline. So we already did that one. And here we go. We're going to do the base of the tea kettle. Fold it. Look at your guideline. Bring this top part up and then fold it. Then your next one. Fold. And then fold again. Now, take this area, bring it into a tiny little triangle. Add hot glue to keep it in its shape. And you continue on. Continue with the slideshow. And I hope that this demonstration was easy enough for you. If not, rewind the video and watch it again. Okay, let's continue with the slideshow. Here's my first attempt of a tea kettle. I've yet to make the handle and the spout. I am also going to change up my tablecloth today and replace it with a new tablecloth, for it is ripping And you've seen this tablecloth in videos since 2018, late 2018. This tablecloth lasted over a year. I'm going to take some of the pieces that are remaining in good shape, like right here, and I'm going to cut it, and it's going to go into this pattern of this tea kettle. And I might cover the front side of the book, I'm not sure. But this is my tea kettle form so far. It's my first one. And of course I'm just going to continue making, using the leftover tablecloth. And Miss Legacy's over sitting across, placing pieces of puzzles together. You like doing puzzles, don't you?
Uh-huh. I got it from a little bag. It's a little gift bag. It was $5 at Big Lots.
Yes, Big Lots, right. Look what we picked up. I've got to show everybody this. We picked this up for $4. It's a huge Easter hat with Easter bunny ears. It's on clearance because it's Easter, but I'm going to upcycle it into a Frosty the Snowman black hat with the little rabbit ears sticking out. I'm going to leave that, but I'll be using evergreens and hollies and all that stuff. So see this in the future as an upcycle for a Christmas decoration. Or I can save this pattern and then, cut out many other projects with this because it's an excellent hat pattern. But when I seen this, I thought immediately of Frosty the Snowman, and then that little rabbit that the evil magician pulls out of the hat. Do you remember what was the rabbit's name?
I don't remember.
Thumper? On Frosty the Snowman?
I don't remember.
I don't remember either. But that's what we want to do in the future. So anyway, subscribe if you like our channel, and stick around. And let me continue finishing this tea kettle. Bless. Okay, with the rest of the pages that I've ripped out of the book, I'm trying to freehand a spout and then a handle. And then I will glue it in one of the folds. I'm almost finished. How are you coming?
Good.
Well, here's what I have so far, and don't play with that. That's the glue. Don't play with that. And we're going to take a break. We're going to get to this tomorrow. Miss Legacy's nose is running. It could be that she don't like the twine and the burlap that's in the room, but she is she does have allergies. So anyhow, this is what I have thus far. I'm hoping maybe I can come up with some type of cap so it looks like the tea pot or the coffee pot has a lid, or I might leave it like this.
And I had to start over again because my puzzle messed up.
Yeah, well, when you got allergies and you're not clearly thinking, the projects just don't come together. So that's okay. Let's take a break. We can come back tomorrow on Sunday and finish this up, okay? Here I am the next morning, feeling a little bit better. Legacy's feeling a little bit better. I am going to place a cute little whimsical burlap bow right here. And this will go in my kitchen because, of course, the tablecloth that's been on my craft table for over a year. I also have a tablecloth in my kitchen that matches this. So don't throw out your tablecloths when you want to switch them up. Save them for material. Now this one's ready. It's all ripped up. I have crafted, I don't know, maybe over 100 projects on this tablecloth. You see this tablecloth in my videos. But I'm switching her out today for a spring little cute bluish type tablecloth. The design's not going to be distracting. And I will clean my craft room today and then maybe go outside and mow the front yard. Not sure yet. Just depends on how I feel with my allergies. But thanks for watching the slideshow and being patient with us. And I will take a few videos or a few photos of the final project, and stick around, subscribe, and don't forget to see the videos on the cute little dance house and the cute vase form. This great Mother's Day gift. It's a great teacher's appreciation gift. It's a great gift for yourself. Adding some art in your house, like I will be in my kitchen. Take care. Send my blessings to you and yours, and I hope you all are feeling healthy and happy. Bye-bye.